Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 83rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answers to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, if you want to connect with me, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU 1906. Okay. And friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called "In what way are thought powerful?" And this was the 180 video. And today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how will a person know if he or she is being negative. Okay, and this is the 181 number video and the topic is how will a person know if he or she is being negative. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Okay, and friends, this is 181 number video, so I will start. Okay, the following are the signs of negativity. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that there are certain signs, which signs is a sign of negativity, friends. Okay, let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Fear arises due to negative thinking and a lack of faith and understanding. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that fear is one of the very much negative thinking, and fear arrives in our mind because of wrong understanding, friends. Okay, if you have full faith in God, there is no reason to be fearful. You are human and you will face tough situation. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that if you have complete faith over God, right? So you are not going to you are not going to be fearful because you will be having complete situation and you can face tough situation because God is always with you, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. But if you have faith, you are given the courage to tackle this situation. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that if we have faith in God, so we get the courageous situation so that we could tackle and we could overcome that situation, friends. Okay. The first thing to do to overcome fear is to increase your faith. So this is very important for us to we should increase the faith in God Lord Almighty to overcome the fear, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. There is a reason fear is so much a part of a human existence right now. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that fear has become a part of human existence at as of now, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Good soul are afraid because the vibration on earth are negative and this negative vibration make you uneasy. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that good soul afraid because today's vibration of this earth is completely negative and negative vibration make good soul unhappy. As you are surrounded by an energy that is different from your, so as we are surrounded by an energy that is completely different from our energy, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. You also fear that you will follow the wrong path. Your subconscious mind understand this fear. So we also fear that many times our subconscious mind fear that they should not follow wrong path because our subconscious mind have this fear. But your physical mind does not. It not only knows that it only knows that it is afraid. So our physical mind does not have any fear. Our physical mind only knows that it is afraid. However, your subconscious mind is never afraid, it is aware. However, our subconscious mind is never afraid, it is always aware, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. If you live in a place where the vibration is positive, you will feel you will not feel fear. So here, friends, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari that if we live in a place where the vibration is positive, so we are not going to feel fear at all, friends. Okay, keep your home simple and clean. Sunlight and plants help to build positive vibration. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that we should keep our home clean, and sunrise and plants help us to believe a positive vibration around us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri, and this will prevent you from being fearful. So this is going to prevent us from being fearful, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri. Fear also come in form of a protective instinct which are required for your own safety. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that fear also come from protective instinct, and which is very important for our own safety, friends. Okay, safety. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. For example, you will obviously be afraid to put your hands into a fire. This is a survival instinct. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us by giving an example that we will definitely be afraid putting hands into a fire, right? So it is our survival instinct, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Strange as it may seem, there are some people who are actually afraid of being positive. Strange, but there are some people who are also afraid from being positive, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Perhaps they have had bad experience in past and are afraid of being hopeful. So even there are many souls who have a past negative experience and they are even afraid of being hopeful, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. So they program themselves into believing that life is not good and they don't deserve any positivity in their life. So many a time this soul keep on programming themselves that life is not good and they does not deserve any positivity in their life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. They gear themselves up for disappointment. Their justification is that they are being realistic, but they are not. So they actually they are afraid of being disappointed, and their justification about life is that they are realistic, but actually they are not, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. A realistic attitude is to know that there are ups and downs in life, so it is natural to hope for the good time. So a realistic attitude is to know that there will be ups and downs in life and we should not lose the hope in our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshar Bhavnagri. No matter what your past experiences are, hope is the essential to human survival. So let whatever be our past experience, but hope is the existence to human survival. So it is very important for us to not to lose the hope, friends. Okay, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Sometimes people are afraid to change because they feel safe in that negative condition. So many a time people even afraid to change because they are comfortable in the negative condition, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Worry, constant worry only brings you down. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that constant worry also bring us down. So we should not worry in our life, friends. Okay, people worry because they have lost faith and are too attached to outcome. Many a time people worry in their life because they have lost faith in God, and they many a times have what will be the outcome, what will be the result of what karma we are doing, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshar Bhavrangi. Result are not in your hand, but the process is. So do your best and then surrender to God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari that results are not in our hand, but the process is in our hand. So we should focus on karma, we should focus on our work and leave everything on Lord Almighty, leave everything on God. We should only focus on karma. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Complete surrender meaning knowing that God will do what is the best for you after you have done your best. So surrendering in front of God means knowing that God will do after doing the best whatever you have done in your life, the karma whatever you done. So after that surrender, let the best happen. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Surrender the outcome and be consistent in your surrender. So we should surrender the outcome, and we should always be consistent in our surrender. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Faith is good. Your angel, your loved ones, and yourself is essential. So faith is very good, and our loved ones and our angel and ourself is very important for us, essential. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Faith is the energy that drives you forward and brings you peace. So faith is the energy which drives us forward in our life and which bring peace in our life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Being without faith is like expecting a car to move forward without fuel. So being without faith in the life means we are expecting a car to move forward without fuel, which is not possible, friends. Okay. So it's very important for us to be faithful in our life and to keep faith in the Lord Almighty. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Do your best and leave the rest to the God. So we should do always the best, and we should leave everything on God, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Doubt. When you constantly doubt yourself, your spiritual teacher, and most importantly God, you are being negative. So when we constantly doubt ourselves, that what will happen, anything, so many a times our spiritual teacher, and it is very important that it is that we are creating a negative karma, and we are creating a negativity in our life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. It is okay to ask question, but if you are on the spiritual path, you must replace doubt with faith. So it is very good for us to ask question, but if we are on the spiritual path, we should replace the doubt with the faith, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Trust your guides. If you keep doubting them and asking for proof after they have given you knowledge and understanding, you are being negative. So we should trust our spirit guide, we should trust our guide, because after getting everything, the knowledge, and we are asking for the proof, give us proof, which is foolishity, friends. And we should not do that. We should keep faith, and we should be positive in our life, and we should never be negative in life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Understanding you are being negative. There is a man who prays very hard each night. At the end of his prayer, he always asks God to do what is the best for him. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari the example about a man. So there is a man who always do good karma in the life. At the end of the day, at the night, he prays to God, God, do whatever is best for me, right? But somehow things don't seem to work in his life. He cannot understand why God does not answer his prayer. So that man, nothing happens good in his life. So he doesn't understand what is happening in his life, right? One day an angel appears before him. So this is a story Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. In front of that man, one day a angel appears. I have a gift for you, say the angel. The man is overjoyed. So the one day angel appears in front of him and said, hey good man, I have a gift for you. And that man become overjoyed. The angel asks the man to open his palm. So angel asks that man, hey dear man, you open your palm. The man does so as thought. He is about to accept an offering. So that man opened his hand and he was about to accept that offering. So let's see what happens. The angel looked at the man's palm and blowed on them. So after looking on the man's palm, angel blowed on them. You are welcome, says the angel. Then angel said, you are welcome. The man is confused because his palms are still empty. So man was confused that my palms are still empty, but angel said, you are welcome. So what's the catch? Let's see what's happening. But where's my gift? So the man asked, but where is my gift? He asked, it has already been given to you. So angel said, I have already given the gift to you. Say the angel said the angel. Sometimes that is taken away from you is a greater gift than something that is given to you. So sometimes something taken away from you is a greater gift than giving a gift to you, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari. Make sure that you trust God and do not doubt him. So we should make sure that we should trust God and we should not doubt him, right? When you constantly doubt your spirit, when you constantly doubt, your spirit is weakened because your spirit survives on faith in God. So when constantly we doubt the God, our spirit become weak because our spirit survive on the faith of the God. So did you understand what happened in the story? And those who doesn't understand, again I will tell. So what happened? There was a man who used to pray every day. Used to go to night and he used to pray to God. Hey God, please you bless me. But at the end, nothing was happening good to him, right? So one day, a angel arrived in front of him and said, "Hey, good man, I'm going to give you some gift. Open your palm." So that man opened that palm. Then angel blow like this. That angel blow air, and nothing happened. Then man said, "I have given you a gift." Then angel said. Then man said, "Where is my gift?" So angel said, "I have given already." So man didn't understood. Then he again asked angel, "Where is my gift? I have not received." Then angel said that sometimes taking something is also a very big gift than giving something. Means that angel have taken something, some good powers from that man. So this was a gift. He taken some gift from him. He taken some superpower, maybe something which is not mentioned. So it was a very big gift for him, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Nagging. Nagging is spiritually wrong. It is a form of a mental torture, a one way, a sort of word. So, nagging is completely wrong and it is in a one way, it is a kind of mental torture, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. It comes out of ego and lack of understanding and in an act of selfishness. So nagging comes out of a ego and in a form of a selfishness, friends. Okay, because you want to be heard at all cost and you want your way no matter what. So we want to be heard at all cost and we want our way. So it is completely wrong, friends, and nagging should not happen under any circumstances. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri. When parents nag their children, it is very harmful, even through the motive is to help. So even when parents also nag their children, it is also very harmful. So nagging should not be done at all. When you nag, you are going against God given free will. So when we are nagging somebody, that means we are going against God's free will. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Instead of listening to you, the person being nagged will not listen at all. So instead of listening to us, when we nag a person, that person is not going to listen us at all. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. And will turn a deaf ear and may even do exactly the opposite if the nagging continues. So there is quite possibility that a person will do opposite when nagging is done, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Constantly complaining and grumbling. Constantly complaining and grumbling. A negative person does not know the meaning of happiness. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari that constantly complaining and grumbling is also wrong because a negative person doesn't know the meaning of happiness. If you whine and moan your way through life, you attract misery. So if you moan and whine way through a life, you are going to attract misery. Some people encourage this trait in others by showing sympathy. So many a time people encourage this thing by showing sympathy to others, which is completely wrong, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri. It is essential to count your blessing. So it is very essential for us to count our blessing, friends. Okay, accenture the positive, don't focus on the negative. So we should always accenture the positive and we should never focus on negative, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri. Taking one problem more than you are required to. So we should not take one problem more than it is required to, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri. Some people want to show the world how much they are doing, how much they are suffering. So many a time many people try to want to show to the full world how much we are doing, how much we are suffering, which is completely wrong, which should not be said to each and every person. Our struggles, our problems, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. they are only harming themselves. So those who are doing this, many a time people say I have this problem in their life, I have that problem in their life, so they are just harming themselves, friends. Okay, so there's Vipsi and Ratush telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. A failure to ask for help means you are being proud and negative. So a failure which we when we ask for the help, that means we are being proud and negative about us, friends, and which is completely wrong and which should not happen. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. You are on earth to coexist, not to handle everything on your own. So we are on the earth to coexist, and we are not here to handle everything on our own, friends. Okay, and even we should not try to do that also, because there are many energies, those who are there to handle this all kind of issues, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. This need to prove that you can handle things on your own in is your ego talking. So we need to prove this things that we can handle these things on our own, and is our ego talking? It is unnatural, friends. Okay, no one accept you to be superhuman, so no one accept us to be superhuman, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Jealousy, one of the things that rob people of happiness is jealousy. So this is a very dangerous thing, friends, so which keeps us which take us away from the happiness, that is jealousy. And we should not be jealous about anybody, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. When you constantly compare your journey with someone else, it holds you back. So whenever we constantly complain our journey with somebody else, so it holds us back, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Be content with your gift and also learn to derive joy and inspiration from the accomplishment of others. So we should be aware about our gift, and we should always enjoy with the accomplishment and with the joy of the other, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. That is how spirit soul lives. So this is the way how spirit soul lives in the spirit world, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. And it bring us true happiness. So this also bring the spirit soul true happiness, because when we celebrate on other people happiness, so it bring a true happiness to a soul, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Thank God for all that you have and learn the art of contentment. So we should thank God for whatever we have in our life, and we should thank God for the art of contentment, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri, friends. Okay, blaming others. So blaming others is completely wrong, and we should not blame any other person for our problem, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Always look within yourself and you will recognize the source of pain. So we should always look in ourselves, and we will always recognize the source of pain, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Pain can be triggered by someone else only if it already exists within you. So pain can also be triggered by someone else if it already exists in you. For example, if we already have a pain and somebody triggers that pain, there's quite possibility that pain gets triggered, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. So get the root of the pain. So we should know what is the root of the pain, friends. Okay, do not focus on the other person, and at any point of life we should not focus on other person, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Correct the imbalance within you, improve yourself first. So we should first correct the imbalance within us, and we should first improve us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. And then try to help others change, and then try to help others change. So then we should try others to change, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Addiction to negative thoughts. Over time, people who are constantly negative become so used to that feeling that cannot do without it. So many a time addiction become dangerous in the negative thought, because many a time many people what they do, they start loving their negative thought there, and they become so addictive towards it that they could not change, and which is very wrong, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. If they have no problem, they will create problem and drama in many cases. So in many cases, if anybody have no problem, then again they are going to create problem in their life, problem drama, even if they don't have any problem in their life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is sharing to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. In many cases, self-pity and depression become habit. So in many cases, self-pity and even depression become habit, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosha and Bhavnagri. They start small but are allowed to escalate into something huge. So they even start small and then they try to escalate in something huge, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosha and Bhavnagri. Impatience. When you learn to develop patience, you will be more at peace. So when we learn to develop patience, friends, and that point of time we are going to be more at peace, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Impatience put you off balance. So many a time impatience put us off balance, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Okay, remember that thing happens at the right time. Timing is in God's hand, so we should always remember the good thing happen at the right time, and the timing is always in the God's hand, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. And when you are impatient, you are dictating terms to God. So and when we are impatient, we are dictating to terms of God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You are asking him to put his plan aside and put yours into motion. So we are asking God, please put your plan aside and put our plan into motion. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Your plan is always limited. God's plan is infinite. So our plan is always limited and God's plan is always infinite, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. So friends, in our today's video, I have covered the topic called how will a person know if he or she is being negative. Okay, and in our next video I'm going to cover the topic, friend, the name of this topic is, in what way does negative affect us physically, emotionally and spiritually, friends. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. What I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay, and friends, you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, and friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get a notification, friends. Okay, so friends, this brings to the end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I will meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye.